na natagpo ang nagtatanghal sa Sacred Heart Center, Cebu.
Sa Cebu?
Pumuntang Cebu, walang ka-effort.
Laughter definitely filled the air last Saturday at the Sacred Heart Center as the members of 𝗬𝗟𝗍𝗍 Improv Theater, or SPIT, brought the house down during their second performance this year in the Queen City of the South. From merely watching their hilarious videos online, Cebu's audience got a chance to enjoy a night filled with jokes and intellectual banter in person from these witty artists. Even without the use of props or scripts, their talents and humor were more than enough to give the crowd an unforgettable show. Audience members also played a role during the performance, as the dialogues mostly depended on their questions and suggestions. But wait, it's not just fun and games for the performers, as the Oracle, one of the SPIT's iconic segments, answered political and social issues without filter.
Should we deport Alice Guo po?
Deportation is to a truthful, sanctioned,
And
justified action.
so,
Yes.
Question, how many more years till Cebu becomes Singapore-like?
How many years ago? Years.
are
Relative.
more importantly,
You as
someone
are
here
you citizens.
make
Cebu, Singapore.
but
If
you make
Cebu,
pop-wise, then
you
cannot be
like Singapore.
The team also left a mark on every Cebuano audience as they shared about the value of regional languages.
Ang baduy pala to not be able to learn a language outside of the Imperial Manila language. And ang dami nating iba pang mga salita na sana natutunan ko pero hindi lang ako nagkaroon ng opportunity.
I admit that as a young, I've been teaching for almost 20 years now. So I admit when I was a young teacher, I was one of the very purist teachers maybe na what Tagalog is Filipino, Tagalog is Filipino. But thank you to my students from the different regions and also of course my further studies. Students from the regions, especially those coming from Cebu, I am fortunate that they are very courageous and confident enough to approach me and tell them what their challenges are with using the Tagalog/Filipino language. But also at the same time, I'm learning from them so that Cebuano can be part of how we understand Filipino languages.
As for the Improv team, Cebu's crowd is definitely one for the books.
Amazing, super. The energy, the humor, the intelligence, it was so vibrant. It's as vibrant as the flavors of the food, as vibrant as the heat of the town. Sobrang sarap. It was super. Sorry, I cannot express it enough.
If you want to hear the Cebu audience experience, pakinggan nyo to.
To prove how these talented artists can easily think on their toes, they were even able to pull off another improv show during their exclusive interview with MyTV Cebu.
I agree po, sobrang galing po nila. Like, grabe po, ngayon lang po ako nakakita ng ganung, wow!
Parang sobra nilang na-enjoy yung Cebu. Tapos, yung parang nabuhayan kami. Kasi ang saya-saya nung spit sa Cebu.
Yes, no, Igan. So, bale, natagpuan po namin ang Spit Manila na nagpo-perform sa Sacred Heart Center kung saan tuwang-tuwa talaga sila. Yung audience, hindi po namin alam kung natuwa pero mukha naman pong natuwa. Yes? Okay, back to you, Igan. Thank you.
Indeed, spontaneous humor and creative storytelling is a skill like no other. And just like improv theater, it's important to learn the art of just being in the moment. This has been 𝗦𝗫𝗂 𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗂 for 𝗦𝗵𝟑 Cebu.